colored one.
See, you're fascinated. You're
That's
fascinated.
awesome.
Yeah. Isn't that like being there? What do you need TV for?
All right, so this has always sat in your house. I always thought it was cool. But what is it? Who got it? And how old is it?
Stereopticon, I call it. Stereoscope is what my grandson insists it is. And it belonged to her. Ida Daniels Gilman Butler, my grandmother. But she had a lot of these cards. I always liked this one, but I can remember as a child, maybe 10 years old, slipping that in that scope, and my stomach would turn right over. Slide it in here, pull down the handle, and then you had to regulate the slide to bring it into focus. There's two pictures there. You want it till you get to just one.
So what does it do? It makes the image 3D?
So yes, it makes the image 3D is right. And I thought it was the greatest thing. And at the house there was no electricity, so
That's all there was to do.
that's all there was to do. What was she like? She was marvelous. She lost her leg. She was on crutches. She walked up Butler Road, get on a bus, and go to Connecticut to visit her daughter. She was a strong woman. Who do you know who has their leg amputated is going to go on crutches to get a bus?
Nobody. We get robot ones now.
Yeah.
We get robot legs.